Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this super adorable paper collection by Carta Bella. It's called Happy Halloween, and I'm going to just kind of run through the contents of all of the stuff that I have here. These stickers are awesome, and I think these are going to make great embellishments for my projects that I'm going to be working on this month. Got some chipboard here put aside, and look at these cut aparts. Aren't they adorable? The double toil and trouble, and then some spooky eyes on the background. This collection also comes with some solids, which you've got your basics, your oranges, your blacks, your greens. Um, Perfect match, obviously, to the paper collection, so these are some good backgrounds. I'm going to run through all of these, and I have a couple of each, so that way I can show you front and back. So we've got this page, which this is the front and the back of each one of these pages. So look at this little neighborhood with the spooky house out in the background. We've got a happy Halloween cat and pumpkins. Got some dancing scary monsters. Some check. I'm going to do this kind of quick, so I'm just going to kind of roll through these and let you know that I am currently working on an album with this paper collection. So far it's coming out so super cute because by the time I did the voiceover, I've already started cutting into all of this, so it's absolutely adorable. And I've also got a couple of other projects. We celebrate Halloween here every year. The kids and I get together and we just cook and make tons of like candy and all kinds of stuff, and we just have a good time. So actually also going to be taking this paper collection and using it for some Halloween decorations. So some like table decorations and some other stuff like that. So we'll be sharing that with you. And I'm just kind of showing you all of the ribbon that I have and how it matches perfectly with this. I've already scrunched all that up. And then I'll run through this little ephemera pack, which matches also the paper collection while I keep talking. So we've got some Halloween decorations. We've got a book that I'm working on right now, and we've got some other little goodies that I'll stick in between so that I can use up this entire collection for you and give you a few ideas on what to do with this adorable collection. So this is totally up my alley. This is the type of stuff that I love to play with. So hopefully I will make something that you guys really like and want to follow along with. And this time I'll do a cutting guide, so that way I'll do that separate. So you guys will have a cutting guide to go with it, and you don't have to um, try to stop and write things down and then start back up again. Look at that pumpkin, isn't he so cute? Okay, so anyway, that's it. Here's the end of the collection, and I will see you again real soon. Thanks for stopping by. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye.